Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from Velocity 2013 in Santa Clara. I'm here with Chris Kelly from New Relic. Chris, how you doing?
Great, how are you?
I'm doing well. So how have the conversations been this week for you here?
They're really good. Facebook had a great talk on load balancers and just showing like the deep knowledge that like Facebook maintains, and I'm always overwhelmed by their work. So it's been awesome.
So are they using you guys for their load balancing, or?
Unfortunately, we don't do load balancing. Unfortunately, Facebook is so large that sort of outscopes what we do. They roll their own thing. So they built their own load balancing infrastructure, which really I think blew everybody's mind in the conference yesterday. Yeah.
So gave you some good ideas.
Yeah, some great ideas. I know we were taking furious notes. Our ops team was here taking furious notes about some of this. We have some of the same problems. So really nice to be able to share that kind of information. Really excited about that.
Excellent. So what is New Relic up to now?
Yesterday, we actually just launched our platform, which allows us to do monitoring of all kinds of components of the web stack. We used to just do the web application itself. Now you can do every other component. So the web server like Apache or Nginx, the more database layers, more caching layers, things like that. So we're getting massive more metrics now than ever before. So it's the first of its kind.
And where do you see this going in the future?
So, the theme of Velocity and DevOps in general is really about monitoring everything, and it really gives a platform that now we can monitor literally everything. If your fridge can put out metrics, if your car can put out metrics, we can get those kinds of metrics, and for whatever reasons you might need them, business metrics or performance metrics, all of that can come into the New Relic platform, so that's what we think is the future.
And so that'll work also when this this industrial internet happens, and we're starting to measure jet engines and things like that?
Absolutely, right? We're looking at software analytics. Any piece of software that's written in the world, we want to be able to understand. So we're kind of giving that visualization, that understanding, that correlation.
Excellent. So you've been to most of the Velocities, right?
Yeah, I've been to quite a few.
Yeah. Are you picking up any different theme this year than you've seen in the past?
This year's a lot about resilience. We've talked a lot about automated infrastructures in the past, but this year is about how do those infrastructures now heal themselves and be able to recover from failure? And that's really big, and alerting is becoming a much more important topic these days with actually actionable alerts rather than just being false positives, wake you up at night and that's going to clear on its own, that kind of thing. So that's been a real big theme this year too.
Yeah, excellent. Are we going to see you in New York and future Velocity events?
Yeah, absolutely. We're in New York, and we're going to be in Europe as well. So you should see me at both.
Excellent. Chris,
awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks.